Hello everyone, welcome to part 163 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website. So in this video, we are going to work on the order invoice. We are going to create the HTML order invoice for the shipped orders. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'm going to close the unwanted files. Okay, so we are going to create the shipped order invoice same like we are sending to the customer the invoice order invoice the same we are going to give in admin panel. Okay, so that the client can able to print it. Okay, so this is our admin panel. I am going to the orders here, and okay, I'm going to log in because my session expired. I'm going to log in once. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so here in orders we will go in orders, and in order section here see like view order. Here we are going to give one more icon here of the print HTML invoice. Okay, so that icon and the HTML invoice will look in the same way like we are sending to the user order email to the user. Okay, so it will look the same way. So let's open the orders.blade file, orders.blade.php file that is located inside the admin. Okay, so here we are going to add one more link. Okay, so after this I'm going to add one more link like this, and I will give few nbsp as well to for some spacing. Okay, so here we are going to add the link that we are going to create the route for this one, and we can create something like print order invoice. Okay, print order invoice, and its id will remain the same, and also there is the icon like fa print found as some icon, that is the fa print. Let's check once. Yes, it seems to be fine. Okay, so you can see the print icon straight away after this one. And one more thing we are going to add for both, here I'm going to add the title. I'm going to add view order details. Okay, and here also I'm going to add the title, so I'm going to add here print order invoice. Okay, so like if you will bring the mouse over it, then it will show view order details and print order invoice. Okay, so now we are going to create the route in web.php. So here just create the route here. We are going to create under admin. Okay, so let's go down, and here we are going to create the route. Okay, so here I will make it like okay. And one more thing we can do, like if you want to add the route with more meaningful commands, like this one is the view orders route and this one is the order detail route, then you can also mention it like this, and this one is the update order status. Okay, so that every route have some kind of information. You can able to check the route, and you can able to know that what this route exactly do. Okay, like here order print order invoice. Okay, so like this you can know that what exactly this route will do. And here I will also add print HTML order invoice. See, we are going to print the PDF order invoice as well very soon. We are going to create the PDF invoice as well, but this one is the HTML order invoice. Okay, so print HTML order invoice, this one. So after this I'm going to add here route get, and here I'm going to add print order invoice and here I'm going to add order controller rate of print order invoice. Okay, like this. Or we can also see print HTML order invoice. Here you can also mention print HTML order invoice, and for PDF we will mention later on print PDF order invoice. Okay, like this. Okay, so now I'm going to open the order controller at admin, and we'll create this function print HTML order invoice. This function I'm going to create here at last. Okay, after see, now I'm going to add here public function print HTML order invoice, and here we will get that order ID check once that we are sending the order ID. No, we are not sending, so we are required to send the order ID as well. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, like you can also give the URL like orders slash after that ID, and after that slash print. Lot of the companies used such kind of routes as well. Okay, you can also give it like this. Okay, like here also you can give orders slash update status. Okay, so this is a kind of thing that many professional websites used to do. Okay, like for the products, we have also done some kind of these kind of things in the multi-vendor e-commerce series. Okay, otherwise you can give as per your own choice, there is no issue at all. But that is the another way to give the routes. Okay, so here print order invoice, here we are also required the order ID. Okay, so here I'm going to mention the ID here. Okay, so that every print HTML order invoice must contain the ID here. Okay, so otherwise this will not work, otherwise this function will not work at all. Okay, so here we are going to fetch the order details from this ID. We are going to fetch the order details, but we can simply uh, can do from here. Okay, so no need to write again. Here we will simply edit like this: order details. See, we are going to fetch all the orders along with their products. Okay, from the order underscore products table, along with the user information, along with the log, along with the history. So history is not required. I'm going to remove because history is not required in invoice. Okay, and so this is the query, and we are going to return now. In the same way, I'm going to pick the return also. Okay, and here admin orders, and here I'm going to mention order underscore invoice. Okay, order invoice or print order invoice or print HTML order invoice, like print HTML order invoice. In that, in PDF we will write print PDF order invoice. Okay, so here just order details are required, this one is not required, just we are going to return the order details. And now we are going to create this file. I'm going to open the order detail that is located inside admin orders, and will save as this name that we have suggested. Okay, I'm going to rename save the file with this one. Okay, as print HTML order invoice. Okay, I'm going to save it. So uh, see, I'm going to open that email order blade file. Resources, where is our reviews, email, and here is the order blade file. I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it here. Okay, so here just this one is required, product model is required, and nothing else. And see, we are going to just copy this one here, and see, I need to remove one of the. Okay, so now, so I'm going to see that what errors comes exactly, and I'm going to click on this one, this link, and see it is having some issue that we are going to see. Okay, order ID. Okay, fine. And also one more thing, that we are going to open this link in a new window. So I'm going to give here the target blank. Okay, so I'm going to open now. Yeah, one more issue is there, that it must be order ID here as well. So now check order ID, and here in 54th line there seems to be some issue. Okay, so see, we are not required, we will get the order ID from the order details, so we will just give it like this. Okay, just refresh and see, it is now visible. See, instead of side makers logo, that is not required now. See, we can simply remove it, and we will add one more tier, and here we are going to mention the order invoice, simply order invoice, or we can add it in caps as well, order invoice. And now we are going to check once that how it looks. I am going to increase its font, and I can also make it bold as well, and I can also like h1. See, I can add some other tag. No, it is not looking, uh, or simply strong as well. Okay, so this is the order invoice. Okay, so you can experiment with different styles. Okay, so which one looks better, you can simply give it. Okay, and also order, and okay, so see here, so this is the order invoice. We will click control P or command P in Mac, and you can see order invoice will look like this. Okay, so here order invoice that we are required to add it in courier box. Okay, so this is the invoice that the user requires. So this invoice we are also emailing to the customer, and here also you can simply add this, take the printout of this one printout you can keep it with yourself, and one you can ship it with the courier box. Okay, that will get delivered to the customer. So such kind of order invoice is required. Here you can see the company details are coming, and here the order number and order date is coming, and along with the delivery and billing information, and there are the products, and so the complete details are coming here. Okay, so such a kind of order invoice you can able to print here. Okay, once you will click here. Okay, so like if you are going to click on any of the invoice, see here it is showing. And also one thing more, that you can show this order invoice just for the shipped orders. Okay, not for the other orders. So here one condition we can add here in orders blade. uh, Here we are going to add the condition, like if the order status is shipped or delivered, only then we can show this invoice. Okay, so here I'm going to pick this status. If it is equal to shipped or delivered. Okay, in both the cases we are going to show this. So you can see there is no order invoice for any of the other orders. See, status is new, status is pending, status is in process, so there is no order invoice. Order invoice is just for the shipped order. You can see it's just for the shipped order, and it is coming fine. Okay, so this is the order invoice for the customer that you can send to the customer. Okay, so one more thing that is pending, just open the order detail blade file in the front, and there you can see the order tracking that we have integrated few videos back. Okay, you can see, and here you can see the status, or like order status, if shipped then shipped is coming, or order status is delivered then delivered is coming. One more condition add here, uh, like if the order status is delivered, okay, then this one will also come. Okay, this one will also highlighted, shipped will also highlighted in the order tracking. So here we will add here, if order status is shipped or if order status is delivered. In both cases we are going to highlight this shipped. I am going to show you that what I meant Here I'm going to update the status as well so that it will be clear to you. I'm going to log in now uh, with one of the account from which we have placed the order, amit100 at the rate of viewapple.com. I'm going to log in and we'll go to the my orders account, then my orders, then we'll open this ninth order for which the status is shipped. Okay, so I'm going to open this one, status shipped. Here you can see the status shipped. Okay, now I'm going to update to status delivered. Okay, like the customer, see, client knows that the status has been delivered. Now he updates the status from the admin panel, manually updates the admin panel, and here you can see the placed, shipped and delivered. See, delivered is also highlighted now. Okay, but earlier on, if I will undo this one, there is some issue. Like if I will not mark it like this one, then here you can see the shipped is not highlighted. So that's why we will add here the condition as well, that if it is shipped or delivered, then it will also highlight the shipped. Okay, so now it is working fine. Like for the other order, I'm going to open some other order as well. Here I'm going to open here, like if I'm going to make it new, after new I'm going to make it shipped. Okay, I'm going to add any FedEx and any number update, so the status will now update to shipped. Actually it is sending email, so it is taking few seconds. uh, okay, let's wait for few seconds. Let's the status update to shipped. Yes, it has been now done. You can see status is now update to shipped. Now I'm going to check for this order, for the order 10. Now the first two must highlighted, see, placed and shipped is highlighted, but delivered is not done because the order has not been delivered yet. Okay, so in the next video we will work on, see, before PDF invoice there is one more thing that we are going to work on, and that is the barcode. That barcode we are going to add in the PDF invoice. Okay, so so see, we are going to work on that thing, sorry, in the HTML invoice. Our in here, like we are generating the invoice. Now see here, shipped, for this ship status, here also comes this HTML invoice. You can see the HTML invoice has come up. Okay, so here see, I am going to add here the barcode as well. Okay, we are going to add the barcode as well. We're going to integrate the barcode in the next video and will show in the order invoice. Okay, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.